Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off Dolby Atmos for gaming sounds in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for these options? Of course, in settings. So settings, sounds and vibration, and here we have sound and quality effects. As you can see, our Dolby Atmos for gaming is turned on. Of course, we can have our Dolby Atmos for everything, for movies only, music, voice, everything. But our gaming options is right here. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box. No need to save settings, nothing. Just back out to our main menu, and now our Dolby Atmos for gaming function is turned off. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.